Hello all, this is me Sowndharayaa KS. In this video, I would be telling about the introduction on p5.js. This would be the basic thing that you should know before you are starting editing in p5.js. So let's get started. So for you, if you have not logged in p5.js, do log in. Only then you will be able to save the code. So at the start, I will be showing on the settings. So in the settings, you have something called general settings. In that, you have about the text size. You can increase the text size or you can decrease it. And the dark theme will be applicable. High contrast will be also shown. I would prefer high contrast than the dark theme because you can't see clearly in dark theme than in high contrast. And autosave, make sure that you have autosave on, so only then something happens to your PC or the current goes on or something happens, your work will be saved. And then coming to accessibility, the line numbers are something there. There are numbers right here. There are number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So while you off it, there won't be numbers. So I would prefer having numbers because only then you will be able to see whatever it is. And then I'll just close it. So I have my thing here. Many people used to ask me what is that, how to see the whatever sketches you have run. So you need to go click on your name and then go to my sketches, and you have all your sketches aligned, and then back to editor. Now coming to the next thing, how to download your code. This might be a little tricky, but it is very easy to download. Well, before you downloading, you need to save that code. So maybe I'll just make it as, I don't want this name. I'll make it as intro. Okay, I'll just put it as intro. Then I'll go to file, and then I'll click save. Right? I'll click save, and it says auto save enable. Then you can download the code right here, and you can even duplicate the code. You can even duplicate the code and add some changes. And then coming to the edit, you have replace option, and in sketch you have run, stop, and then you have some keyboard shortcuts here. These are some very simple shortcuts they offer. And you can also view the sketch files right here, and you can even add or create upload files. And this is that sketch.js. I already have a Pong stage 2 which has the sketch.js like this, which is I will be doing this thing, I'll be doing this thing later in the next coming videos. So this is about how to apply borders. So these are the things, these are some basic things that you should know before you are start editing in p5.js. So that's it for this video. I hope you enjoyed my video, and thanks a lot, and take care, and make sure you subscribe, like, and share my channel. Thanks a lot.